Hey guys, it's Warren Nash here, and today we are making Irish stew. This is a great wholesome dish and there's plenty to go around, which makes it the perfect family dinner. And this also goes great served with traditional Irish soda bread. Now, to start with, take 4 peeled carrots and carefully chop into chunks using a sharp knife. Then take 3 onions and for each, slice the end off, slice in half and peel, then slice into half moons. Also take 2 garlic cloves and again peel, then finely chop. Then take 4 rashers of smoked rindless back bacon and chop into chunks. Next, take a large casserole and place it over a medium heat on the stove. Heat up some olive oil, then add into the casserole your sliced onion, chopped garlic, chopped carrot and your bacon. Then fry these ingredients for 5 minutes whilst remaining over a medium heat. Next, take 700 grams of diced lamb and add to the casserole. Then continue to fry over a medium heat for between 5 and 10 minutes until the lamb has browned all over. Now, once you've finished frying the contents of the casserole, take 4 washed white potatoes and chop into chunks. And there's no need to peel either. Add these to the pan along with the leaves from a few stems of fresh thyme, then crumble in 2 vegetable stock cubes. Then crack open 1 can of Guinness and pour this into the casserole as well. Now give the contents of the casserole one final stir until everything's combined and covered in the Guinness. And if there's not quite enough Guinness in there to cover the ingredients, simply top the contents of the casserole up with some boiling water. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper if necessary, then bring up to simmering point. Next, place the lid on your casserole, then place into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit. You then need to cook your Irish stew for between 1.5 and 2 hours until the meat's lovely and tender and has absorbed the Guinness. Check you're happy with the consistency and the flavour of your stew and season with a little bit more salt and pepper if necessary. Garnish with some more freshly chopped thyme and then this delicious Irish stew is ready to serve, which is perfect for a family dinner.